Comparing cubes. Here are two cubes. Which cube do you think weighs more? Why? Pause and discuss. There are two major properties we should consider in order to answer this question. The first property we want to consider is size. Size refers to whether something is big or small, or somewhere in between. So then, which cube is bigger? The red cube is bigger. But we still don't know which cube is heavier. There is another property we must consider before we figure out which cube weighs more. That property is the cube's materials. Material refers to what something is made from. What materials do you think these cubes are made from? This red cube is made from foam. Foam is a very light material. If you are wondering about those black dots, they're just put on there so this cube can be sold as a large dice. What is our smaller silver cube made from? This cube is made from metal. It's made from a specific type of metal called iron. Considering both the size and material of the cubes, discuss one more time which cube you think weighs more. Pause and discuss. Now, let's see how much the cubes weigh. Let's see how much the foam cube weighs. Here, we're putting it on a scale. Can you see the number? How much does the foam cube weigh? Don't forget the unit. The foam cube weighs 10 grams. Now let's see how much the metal cube weighs. Here we're putting it on the scale again. Can you see the number? Don't forget the unit. The metal cube weighs 129 grams. So, which cube weighs more? The metal cube weighs more, by a lot. It's 129 grams. Compare that to the foam cube, which is only 10 grams. This is true even though the metal cube is smaller than the foam cube. This is because metal is a heavier or denser material than foam, which is lightweight, and often used for things like bath toys. Now, if you have two cubes that are made out of the exact same material, and they are different sizes, then the bigger one will be heavier. But if you have cubes or other objects made out of different materials, you cannot tell which is heavier based on size alone. You have to consider other properties too. Keep learning about different properties of materials.